This is Laneige, the Bouncy and Firm Eye Sleeping Mask. This great mask is part of the Peony and Collagen Complex collection, and it has peptides. It comes securely packaged like this. It is very much taking over the beauty world, and I want to try it and see what all the fuss is about. It boasts caffeine and niacinamide, as well as peptides. Delicious looking gel is a clear sleep mask. Oh my goodness. It's a wonderful cream, and you can sleep in it and see amazing results. It feels so good. Gently pat a light layer. I think just the way it feels would be a reason to wear it. But we're going to look into the results. You use it on top of your hydrated skin as a last step after your entire skincare routine. It helps revitalize and visibly firm up the under eye area as well as the sides where the crow's feet are. A cooling, hydrating cream that helps firm up this area as well as the appearance of reduced fine lines and wrinkles. It feels amazing with the first application, and they say after 8 weeks, 90% said they saw an improvement in the under eye area and that it looked more radiant. 90% agreed that the eye looked more lifted. It feels terrific, and I know that you will really want to grab this quickly and start your 8-week routine.